Hello, how are you? You focus me just right so you get my whole face?
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
It's like a documentary or something.
All right, you
Like,
put all the names together. Do I have to say my name so you know who it is?
No, you need.
I
Wait,
don't need to.
I
They'll
need
know.
to. What number are you?
Grandma will know everything.
Oh yeah, Grandma
What
will
number
know
are
for
you?
sure.
Number.
Number?
Yeah.
I have no number.
Did you have a coat?
Code
Like
number.
coat?
I think I was one at the very beginnings. I think I had number 6, way back when I first came. So I've got a nice small number. So I thank you for taking care
What
of
number are you?
I don't remember, like 7 maybe?
No, I think you're
3?
You're number 2.
2?
No, I'm number 2.
I don't know.
You're number 4, maybe.
I don't know.
Hey, Bonnie. Bonnie,
What?
do you have a code number?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Do you have a code number?
Yes, I do.
What number is it?
5.
Oh, okay. I'm number 2.
Oh,
Yeah.
When you come out of where the clubhouse
Do you have
is.
a code number?
I have number 17, I think, or
Oh, okay. Do you?
It's in my pocket, but I don't know my number. 1. I'm number 1. I'm number 1.
Oh,
she's
okay.
the only one.
Finn,
You see him over at
do you have
Steele's.
a code number?
Supposed to do that.
Do you have a code number?
No.
Oh, okay. Do you have a code number?
Someplace, I lost it.
Oh, you can't get your code anymore
Oh,
then.
that's all right. I had to hang it up myself, so I should be able to find it.
where were you guys?
Well, I gave him his number. What number are you?
I am number 0. And
Are you sure?
yes, I am sure. My code is in the car.
Oh, okay.
And there's a thicket of